Hi, I'm Desiree and welcome to my channel Defabulicious. If you have still not subscribed to my channel, make sure you subscribe to my channel and please like and share this video. So today I'm doing this nude makeup look. Now coming to the nude makeup, there are a few things that you should always keep in mind. Firstly, the foundation that you are using should be a close match to your skin tone. Then coming to the eyes, you can either go for smoky eye look or you can do neutral eyes the way I have done today. I always prefer to keep my eyebrows very natural. You can either skip the contour and the blush, or even if you are going with the contouring and with the blush, you can go very light hand with them. For the lips, you can wear a nude lip gloss or a nude matte lipstick as per your preference. So yes, let's jump into the tutorial and watch how did I achieve this look. Beginning by hydrating and softening my skin with the Good Vibes Aloe Vera and Sativa Gel Cream. Now this cream is suitable for all skin types, but it is basically recommended for those who have dry skin. Applying the NYX Total Control Drop Foundation in the shade Golden Honey. Now this foundation comes with a drop applicator for controlled usage. Applying more of the foundation on my face. Now this foundation has a buildable coverage and it even gives a very soft matte finish to your skin. Now you can easily see that this foundation is a very close match for my skin tone, and it is even blending quite well with the beauty blender. Gives a nice fresh look to your face as well. Using my favorite Maybelline Age Rewind eraser, twist clockwise, rotate and till the time the concealer comes out, and applying it in the hollows of my eyes and wherever I have pigmentation. I mostly use this concealer for most of my makeup looks as it gives a very radiant and a refreshed look wherever I apply this concealer. Even the shade Caramel is a very close match for my skin tone. Setting my under eyes with the K Beauty HD Loose Setting Powder, and the shade that I am using is Olive. Defining my brows with the L'Oreal Brow Pomade. For a natural look, I am going in with small gentle strokes. Brushing with a spoolie. Quickly finishing the other eyebrow as well. Setting my eyeshadow base with the same Maybelline Age Rewind concealer. For the nude eye look, I am using the Blush Nudes eye palette from Maybelline, and from this palette I am applying the golden shimmer shade on top of my eyelid. For applying this shade, I am using a wet flat brush. Now the reason why I am using a wet flat brush is to increase the pigmentation of the eyeshadow. From the same palette, I am going in with the grey shade and applying it in my crease. Basically, it is the transition color. I am slowly and gradually increasing the intensity of the color. And taking it till the outer corner. Using the Lakme Absolute Kohl in the shade Black and putting it on the upper lash line. Tightening my eyelashes. And creating a smoky eye with the inbuilt smudge applicator. This Kohl is water resistant and it is quite long wearing. What I love most about this Kohl is that you can create a perfect smoky eye with this Kohl. I am also applying it in my lower lash line. and smudging it with the smudge applicator. Completing the other eye as well. Curling my eyelashes with the Vega eyelash curler. For my eyelashes, I'm using the Maybelline Lash Sensational Mascara. Now this mascara captures every lash and it is a waterproof mascara. It is good for everyday wear. If you like to wear waterproof mascara on everyday basis, you go for this mascara. Using the Sugar Contour D-Force Mini Bronzer in the shade Taupe. Now this is again one of my favorite bronzer. Very lightweight. And since I'm doing this nude look, I am going very light-handed with this bronzer. Applying the Stay Quirky liquid lipstick in the shade I Woke Up Like This. Now this is a very pigmented matte liquid lipstick and I love this shade a lot. Very good for everyday wear. I'm also applying the golden shade in my lower lash line. To give a glossy look to my lips, I'm using the Kiko Milano Unlimited Double Touch Liquid Lipstick. I'm only applying the gloss. Giving an instant boost of hydration to my skin with the M.A.C Prep Plus Prime Mist. And that completes the nude look.